The next time you pick up a bottle of Arizona iced tea, Lysol, or Downy, chances are good the packaging was produced by a machine made in Norwalk.
We build machines for all sorts of pharmaceutical companies, Bayer, Johnson & Johnson, and food companies, Nestle's, General Foods.
PDC International custom designs and builds machines for shrink wrap and tamper-evident packaging.
We do all our engineering in-house, metal fabrication, welders, sheet metal, assembly, programming.
That's Neil Constantine, company CEO. Neil's father, Anatol, a mechanical engineer, started PDC after fleeing war-torn Ukraine after World War II.
His story is the American dream. Came with almost nothing and worked his way up, starting in menial jobs.
Initially, the company built automated machinery, but in 1982, when 7 people died after being poisoned by Tylenol laced with cyanide, the country was sent into panic, and new consumer product safety laws were put in place.
So when the Tylenol scandal hit in the 80s, we applied that technology of a sleeve to a cap, and we became manufacturers of tamper-evident banding equipment. And from that evolved a more decorative sleeve label.
A company comes to you and they have their product, and they say, we need to shrink wrap labels for this. What happens from there?
Well, we determine how quickly they want to do it in terms of bottles per minute, which machine is most appropriate, and which shrink system will accomplish things at those speeds.
Building the machinery that places the shrink sleeves and creating the steam, hot air, or infrared tunnels that adhere them.
Our type of label gives you 360-degree full billboard, so it gives some pop to jump off the shelf.
There's all sorts of interesting packages out there, and somebody's making them, and someone's making the machines that put all that together.
Neil says it's those hardworking employees combined with a focus on quality that he hopes will keep the company, now more than 50 years old, running for another 50.
We build machines that will last for decades. And so that's what we're known for, and that's what we've built our reputation on, and that's why people keep coming back to PDC.